Yeah, Devon Network sikhona abafethu i-draw namhlanje ye-Brilliant Cup which is taking place this coming weekend, and this is Devon Network and I am your host uSabela Mfokandabase. Njengamanje nginocele la uMagaye insizwa ebamba iqhaza ekutheni imidlalo le ezobe ngeweekend igcine ibe khona. Mfowethu siyakubingelela.
Asibonge, ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi nibe nami.
Mfowethu sikubonile wena obowuphambili uchaza imithetho iliphi iqhaza olibambile kwi-Brilliant Cup.
Mhlawumbe nje umuntu akabe mfeshane kule. Usibongiseni wakacele from Imbumbulu. Une event ebizwa ngenkunzi under 15 tournament, which is one of the biggest tournament in South Africa. So under inkunzi we've got a team of guys who dealing with event ohlela event anjengalawa kungaba i-netball, kungaba i-volleyball, soccer and so forth. Since uBrilliant kuyintwana yethu esizwanayo nayo kakhulu, so sibonile ukuthi kungakuhle inkunzi sports event ithathe le tournament whatever kwenzakalile kule minyaka edlulile sikwazi ukulungisa kube in order. Even last year we were here, so this year as you can see ukuthi it's buzzing because of ama mistake eswabonile sakwathi neswalungise silala sikhona sizoyenza futhi nayo ibe impumelelo njengamanye ama tournament amakhulu esike sisawenza. Like for an example, what December last year we were doing Iduma Foundation, which is one of the biggest tournament. For November it was Inkunzi under 15 and Amatuma 120. So this is our thing to do. So nje, but thank you very much and thanks for supporting uBrilliant okuyintwana eqhamuke lokushini, and siyabonga ukuthi kube khona lezi eziningi azenzayo ezibuyisela back kwi-community.
Mfowethu njengoba uke washo ukuthi une cup vele la participate khona izingane ezisencane, mhlawumbe kusho ukuthini kuwena ukuthi ufake ikhanda na ufake isandla kakhulu kuma tournament abafana abasasebancane?
Ama players agcwele kwi-PSL amaningi aqhamuka KwaZulu Natal, imisebenzi abo coach abanjengami, imisebenzi abo coach abanjengo coach Ostay or Trouble Tigers. There is a lot of coaches abakwi development abo Mantayili, there is a lot. So since siqhamukile saba coach ngalesa sikhathi sikhulile manje, so ekumele siwenze kumele support wonke umuntu one club okwi development senze sure ukuthi le ngane sakwazi ukuyibeka kwibalazo as much as ngekusiwona team yami, but if I can bring them together badlale kwi tournament well organized, abantu abafuna ukubukela italent bazokwazi ukubukela endaweni right kwi tournament ehlelekile. That's why sifaka amakhanda ethu entweni enjengalesa.
Mhlawumbe vele abantu abaningi into abayibukayo yithuba elizovela webhayi kuzoba nama scouts ahlukahlukene azokwazi ukuthi agrebe italent elikhona.
Kunjalo nje, kunjalo mntaka baba. I remember umuntu wascoutha uMbokazi kwi-Brilliant Cup ngo-2023 waqale wamlandela kwi-Brilliant Cup, I think kwakuyesibili eMbombolo. So maningi ama players azophinda atholakale kuyona le tournament, and maningi eza ukuzoyidlala ngenxa ukuthi nayazi ukwenzakalani uma ngabe ufikile wazoyidlala i-tournament. At the end of the day, it's not about our team, it's not about us, it's about lengane ezincane ukuthi ibe kwi-platform right izokwazi ukubonakala.
Sesivala nje mfowethu, mhlawumbe abantu bangalindelani nge-weekend?
Bangalindela imidlalo emihle kakhulu nge-weekend, imidlalo well organized. Wabonile ama group ukuthi there is a lot of ama group of death. Babuzubuka isitayela sasemakhaya, since namathima aqhamuka emakhaya, aqhamuka ama-suburbs, aqhamuka location. So there will be different style of football eKhathomela. So everyone must come azowitnessa i-development ukuthi uBrilliant ufuna ukuyithatha ibeke phi.
Ufisa ukuthini mhlambe kwabanye aba-organize ama-tournament njengani?
Mhlawumbe engingakusho ngicathi kubalekile kakhulu kuye kuthiwa inkunzi isematholeni. Asilingani ngokwamaphakethe, asinawo ama-sponsorship, kodwa whatever oyenzayo uma bu-organize tournament ake uyicabange iyouth ukuthi buyele ezansi phela. Kungabi imali one way, ake kube nje ukuthi siya investor. Ngiyazi abantu abaningi benza ama tournament they think about money. It's not about money, it's about investment. Kule ngane ezincane sizinikeze ithuba lokuthi nesibonakala, singayiqhakambisi kakhulu imali because imali izogcina yenza labafana laba ukuthi mabangabonakali. So if kwenzakala mhlawumbe ubone ukuthi umadolo nzima ekuthenini we organize i-tournament ecishe fana lawo, thina siyinkunzi youth sport event, we always avail ourselves nethimba lami lamadoda u-18 sifike nje sikushayele iqonde ithule ethi do simahla mahala.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Thank you very much.